Hi guys. So we're wrapping up a bunch of different weeks of review and kind of bringing it all together. I tried not to make this too complicated. All the answers come out pretty easily when I did them, but I just want to show you how you're supposed to be solving the same problem 2 times using the 2 different strategies that I've shown you. So we are going to take 2 times the quantity 3 plus 5. And on the left side, it says order of operations, and I kept the little diagram there for you. So step 1 says parentheses. So the first thing I'm going to do, for a lot of you guys, the first thing you do is you copy the problem, which is awesome. And then you show me like with a little symbol what you're doing first. So I get 3 plus 5 is 8. And then I'm going to take my 8 and multiply that by the 2 that's outside of the parentheses. And I get 2 times 8 is 16. And then I could type. You guys need to make sure you click and type. I don't have that access right now because I'm in the teacher version. Type in your answer and then it'll tell you if you're right or wrong because it'll give you the point if you have the correct answer. Okay. Then you're going to take the same exact problem, but then the second time you solve it, you're going to solve it using the distributive property because really that's the last thing we learned. And that's the thing that I'm really trying to review with you today. And that's what I'm going to be assessing. So the left side is more checking your work and the right side is making sure that you're understanding how to apply the distributive property. So in the distributive property, I found this awesome visual that's showing a 2-taco combo meal with a pop. And if you order 3 2-taco combo meals, how that's actually 6 tacos and 3 pops. So that's helping. And then it shows you how to translate that into 3 times 2T for 2 tacos plus D for 1 drink. And that's actually equal to 6 tacos and 3 drinks. So that's just the example problem for you. And you'll see that visual on each one in case you get stuck on something. So here I am doing the distributive property. I'm multiplying my 2 times my 3 and my 2 times my 5. 2 times 3, like the lady in the video later in today's lesson will show you. She kind of writes it out underneath. 2 times 3 is 6. And then I'm going to multiply my 2 times my 5. 2 times 5 is 10. And then I'm going to add together because at the top it was adding. Watch out for when the subtracting shows up and the negatives show up. And I'm going to get 16 again. These 2 numbers should always be the same number. You were solving the same problem. And if you're following, whether you're doing distributive property or order of operations, if you're doing them accurately, you should be getting the same answer to the same problem. Okay, the last part of the slide is what changed in your steps to solve the problem. So in this problem, I added first, and this problem I multiplied first, and how did that impact your solution? It should not ever. Okay, I hope that's helpful, guys. There's the first one for you, and then just keep going. All of you can do the challenge slides. You don't have to do all of them, but try some of them, okay?